What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm talking about Shelby GT350 wheels. Will they fit on an S197? Now, these GT350 wheels came off another YouTuber's car. American Dad, I'll put it right here on the screen. He decided to upgrade his wheels, and he didn't really have any use for these, so I decided to pick them up from him. But will they fit on an S197? Yes, they will. They have the same bolt pattern as the S550s, so they do fit on, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind just so that you don't have to worry further down. Now, the first thing just to keep in mind is this little gap right here. I don't know if y'all can see it too well on camera, but there is a little gap right there. When I first saw that, I saw how it wasn't flush. I initially didn't really worry, but then when you look at the fronts are flush on there. There is no gap at all. I immediately took off the rear wheel just to see if there is any difference. And yes, there is. It is kind of curved in right here, then it goes flat versus the driver's side right here, not driver's side, the front, completely flat. So that's just one thing to keep in mind, just so you don't have to worry. It's supposed to be that little tiny gap. No need to worry. Now, the second thing to keep in mind is that you will rub just a little bit. Right up here, as you can see where it was rubbing just a little bit. What I did on the other side is I just took a knife, and all this is insulation right here, but I just took a knife, cut from right here all the way around this, took that entire piece out. Don't have to worry about rubbing anymore. That was the only spot that was rubbing. Everywhere else was good. So you shouldn't have to worry about fitment issues on a 2011 to 2014. So with taking that little piece of insulation out, you don't have to worry about any kind of rubbing or anything. Now, I'm sure I could have left it in there, but I didn't want that little bit of insulation rubbing on the tire. Who knows, that could have caused excess wear over time. But yeah, that's the only real things you have to worry about. They bolt directly up. Now, my car is lowered, so that might be an issue why I was actually rubbing. Maybe if your car wasn't lowered, maybe the wheels would be sitting that little bit, maybe give it that little tiny gap. But with my car being lowered, along with the majority of Mustang owners out there, you probably will rub a little bit. So that's just one thing just to consider. You'll have to cut that little bit off. Now, the rear wheels are 305s, the front are 295s. They're thick for sure. And the only other thing to keep in mind is that little gap in the rear. You don't have to worry about it. That is completely normal. That's just the way the wheel is made. But guys, I do hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.